Hi guys, today we bring to you something very important for tourists in Sri Lanka. For animals in Sri Lanka have become popular in the tourism industry and national park. The Sri Lankan elephant, leopard, bear and blue whale. These are very highlight. If you are visiting the southern province, there are two national parks where you can see elephants. There are Udawalawe National Park and Yala National Park. In these places, you can see very close observation of elephants. So if you are interested in this, we are ready to provide that service. Save your valuable time and get one-day services in package mode. Come to Royaltoursmirissa. See you in another valuable video like this. We are Royaltoursmirissa official YouTube channel. Thank you.